Okay, welcome to week 2 of the Ogo Owl Crochet Along. I'm your host, Sarah at Repeat Crafter Me. So in week 1, we made the body and the head. It should still be open. Do not sew it shut yet. This week, we're going to be creating the eyes, the beak, the wings, and the feet. And then in the 3rd week, we will stitch them all on and finish up this cute owl. So you should have about this much left of the darker brown yarn. That'll be enough for the 2 wings. And then this much, about this much for the eyes, which is plenty. And then you should still, we haven't worked with our yellow color yet. And you will have, again, more than enough for the beak and the feet. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and make 1 on camera, and you are going to want to make 2 of each of the eyes and the wings and the feet. So let's get started with the eyes. Okay, so grab, move that to the side. Grab your cream color yarn, and we are going to make our magic ring, and we are going to make 10 single crochets in the ring. So chain 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Pull tight. You're going to join to that first single crochet and chain 1. Now for the second round, we're going to make 2 single crochets in each stitch around. And that's basically going to bring us to the end of it. So 2 single crochets. In each stitch, 2 single crochets. Should have a total of 20 stitches. Okay, join. Now you're going to want to clip off your yarn. You want to leave a little bit of a long tail because you're going to use that to stitch onto the head portion later. Clip off about right there. Okay, should have your long tail. And then we will talk about a safety eye and some other options in week 3. Now let's grab the kind of yellow yarn, and we're going to make the beak. Okay, so you're just going to make a slip knot, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 single crochet in that second chain from hook. Okay, so there's your second chain from hook. And then a single crochet in the last 2. Chain 1, we're going to turn, and we are going to do a single crochet decrease, but over 3 stitches. So that's basically a how you do a normal one, but you're going to go under that last stitch. So you're going to have 4 loops on hook, pull through, chain 1, make that 1 last single crochet, and you are done. Beak's going to go this way. Okay, so we're going to fasten this off. Again, leave a bit of a tail here because we're going to have to stitch it onto the face over the eyes. All right, looks like a little mini pizza there, huh? All right, so set this off to the side. Let's get started on the wings. All right, so you're grabbing your darker brown yarn. Again, you're going to want to make 2 of these. I'm only going to do 1 on camera. You only need 1 beak. All right, so let's make your magic ring. Chain 1 and 4 single crochets in this magic ring. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, it's going to be tight, it's going to be small. You can do it. Just fit your hook right there under that first single crochet, join, chain 1, round 2. We're going to make 2 single crochets in that first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next, 2 single crochets in the next, and 1 single crochet in the last. And I know it looks funky. I know it feels like you're far away from that joining stitch, but just reach your hook over, join. Okay. Start of the bottom of the wing, chain 1. Let's go on to round 3. Okay, so we're going to do 2 single crochets. Where am I here? 2 single crochets in the first, single crochet in the next 2. 2 single crochets, and then single crochet in the next 2. That brings us to the end there. Reach your hook in, join, chain 1. Okay, next stitch, 1 single crochet. Oh, nope, 2 single crochets, sorry, in the first and 1 single crochet in the next 3. So basically we're just increasing. 1, 2, 3. So 2 single crochets. 1, 2, and 3. All right, join. It should get easier now to find where you need to join. Chain 1. Okay. Okay, 2 single crochets in the first, 1 single crochet in the next 4. 2 single crochets, and then a single crochet in the next 4. I should say the last 4. Okay, join. All right, we're going on to round 6. We are doing 2 single crochets in the first and 1 single crochet in the next 5. It's a pretty easy repetition here of increases. 3, 4, and 5. 2 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, join, chain 1. Here we go, increase again. So we're going to do 2 single crochets in the first, 1 single crochet in the next 6. 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2 single crochets, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, let's join. All right, another increase, 2 single crochets in the first, single crochet in the next 7. 2 single crochets, single crochet in the next 7. Ooh. 6 and 7. Join, chain 1. Okay, it should look like this. Starting to look like a wing. Now we only have 2 more rounds. For your 9th round, we're just going to single crochet in each stitch around. Okay. And then for the last round, let's join, chain 1, the 10th round, we're going to single crochet decrease and single crochet in the next 4. So single crochet decrease, single crochet in the next 4. 3, 4. Single crochet decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4. Join. Your wing is finished. I would probably weave in that end, and there is no need to stuff this with polyfill. You're going to want to fasten off, leaving a fairly long tail, because we will be stitching this onto our owl in week 3. All right, let's grab the yellowish yarn and get started on the owl feet. They will look like that. Okay, I'm going to make one on camera, but you are going to make 2 of these. So we're going to go ahead and make our magic ring. Chain 1, 6 single crochets in the ring. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pull tight. Join to that first single crochet. Round 2, we're going to make 2 single crochets in each stitch around for a total of 12 single crochets. So that was 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Join, chain 1. Round 3, we're going to make a single crochet in that first stitch, 2 single crochets in the next. Just repeat that around. So 1 single crochet and then 2 in the next. 1, 2 in the next. 1 single crochet. 2 in the next. 1, 2, 1, 2 in the last. Okay, join. All right, so now for the 4th round, we're just going to single crochet in each stitch. Very easy. And then we're going to shape it. I'll show you in a second. So just finish single crocheting in each stitch around. Okay, there's our last one. Now you're going to want to join. Let's leave a fairly long tail as we've been doing. Okay, pull this through. All right, should look like this. You can weave your end. Really gonna want to weave that middle end in real quick. Okay, and then, all right. Now, you're gonna just fold it, right? Your end should be on an end, all right? Because we are going to use our tapestry needle to shape this foot. Okay. So I'm going to start stitching this closed just by working under the single crochet stitches. Okay. All right, so we're just working. Then when I get to about this 3rd stitch here, we're going to close it. Then I'm going to loop this around. Okay. I come back in, pull it tight so it kind of makes a little indent right there. You see that? So it starts to look like a little webbed foot talon. Okay, we're going to do the same on this side too. So you're just going to keep going, stitching the top of this together. Until I get to the other side. So about here, so I have about 3 stitches left to close. All right, I'm weaving in, wrap that around, come back up the top. Okay, I'm kind of holding it here until I pull tight. And when I pull, see how it kind of makes that foot, those 3 little bumps. All right, so pull that tight and then continue to close up the rest of the stitches. And you are not going to want to fasten off as we get to the end here, because we are going to need this long tail to stitch it onto the bottom of our owl. Okay, so you should have your foot, you should have 2 of these, 2 wings, 2 eyes, and 1 beak ready to go for week 3.